Tonight we're learning more about a controversial Central Dauphin school bus surveillance video showing a 2016 altercation between an adult and a student.
After a long, lengthy battle, the video has been released. But as CBS 21's Jessica Babb shows us, taxpayers are footing a big bill.
Through a right-to-know request, we received years of attorney invoices showing the Central Dauphin School District spent at least $250,000 trying to prevent people from seeing the surveillance video. The school district says they were protecting student privacy, but former school board members say there needs to be more accountability in how tax dollars are spent.
No, I refuse! Let me again! There we go!
It's a moment the Central Dauphin School District didn't want you to see. This 2016 school bus surveillance video shows an altercation between the wife of a school administrator and a student as they were loading the bus after a basketball game.
So my initial call was to Ford Thompson, our president at the time, and the current president. I asked him if he saw the video, and he said yes, he did, and he said it was really bad. And I said, oh, okay, how bad? He's like, it's really bad.
Only the president of the board viewed the video.
When a news station put in a right-to-know request for that video, the district fought it, taking the case all the way to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. For 7 years, the district has been saying they're protecting student privacy. Court documents saying they claimed they didn't have the technology to redact it.
As the weeks and the months and the years passed, there's a number of members on the board that kept asking to see the video because we knew that there were costs being incurred to fight for this video to be from the public.
So as a school board director, I was prevented from seeing the video, never saw the video until 2023.
Central Dauphin's lengthy legal battle comes with a pretty price tag, something community members at an April 17th school board meeting were questioning.
Does the action of this board show transparency?
That night, district officials responding.
Inaccurate media reports have claimed that the district spent $200,000 to keep a single school bus video from public access. That's wrong. The district's legal issues had nothing to do with keeping a single video from public access, but instead had everything to do with protecting the rights of families to the privacy of their students' education records.
But in records we received in our right-to-know request days after that meeting, adding up the law firm invoices showed the district racked up a bill of more than $330,000.
It was a total waste of money.
After asking the district for an interview, we got this statement, saying they spent more than $250,000 in a variety of court appeals. They say not all the legal expenses listed in the invoices were part of this case, but we can't see for ourselves because a lot of it is redacted.
I don't think they were fighting for student privacy. You simply could have redacted the video and released it.
And we could have saved the taxpayers a lot of money and a lot of grief.
Now, former school board members Eric Epstein and Jeannie Webster, who are running again for the school board, say there needs to be more accountability.
I think at issue is who's going to be accountable for squandering taxpayer dollars.
I also reached out to every current school board member, including board president Ford Thompson, but none of them would do an interview with me. For CBS 21, I'm Jessica Babb.